we are looking at how to pronounce these words, and we'll be looking at how to say more confusing vocabulary and names in English. Stay tuned to the channel to learn more, but for now, let's break down the pronunciation of this word. The top spelling, phonetic spelling here on your screen is British English. In the UK, it's said as intuition, with a stress on the E syllable. Intuition. Intuition. Now, in American English, that's your bottom pronunciation on your screen. Intuition. So you have a two syllable rather than a two syllable. Intuition in American English or intuition in British English. An example of sentence using this word is, he had the intuition that she didn't like him. Or in American English, he had the intuition that she didn't like him. Intuition or intuition. And now you know it all, I think. Let me know in the comments what you thought. If you understood this pronunciation, like this video. If you found it useful, appreciate the support. And more videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. See you there. Thanks for watching.